Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming your working tree is clean. Commit or stash any changes now. Once done, switch to a safe branch such as main or master so you're not deleting the branch you're on. Next, update your repo metadata by running git fetch origin to ensure you have the latest remote state. This prevents surprises. Make sure the branch name you plan to delete matches exactly, including capitalization, and prepare to run the delete commands in the next step. You'll now remove the branch locally first. Use git branch d branch name to safely delete or git branch d branch name to force if the branch isn't merged. Then remove the remote reference with git push origin delete branch name. This tells the server to drop the branch. After pushing, verify locally with git branch and confirm the remote is gone with git ls remote heads origin or git fetch prune. If you use a GUI or GitHub web, also check the branches list to ensure it's removed. To finish, clean up stale references with git remote prune origin so your local view matches the server. If the branch was protected and rejected, check branch protection rules on the server and remove protection before redeleting. If you accidentally deleted a branch, you can often restore it from another clone or from the reflog. Push a recovered branch with git push origin head, branch name. If a push fails, read the error message. Permission or protection issues are the most common causes, and adjusting settings or contacting an admin usually resolves them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.